What's up, everybody? It's Joey. I keep getting flagged on YouTube for unoriginal content, blase, blase, blase. Well, here's an original content for you. I have to change out the secondary air pump filter on my 2021 Lexus GX460. Supposedly they break down and they clog up the secondary air pump, and apparently it's like a $2,000 fix from the dealership. So I just ran up to O'Reilly's. I ordered a K&N filter for it. It's a 1-inch opening is what you need. A little, it's like a crankcase filter. So I ordered one last night, went up there and got it today, and about to pop open this thing and check out and see how bad the stock one is. It's like I said, it's 2021, probably what sold in 2020. So I'm pretty sure the thing's broke down some. So let's check it out. So when you open your hood, you have a plastic cover that goes right here. That's it there. It's held in with these plastic push tabs that go in these holes. Yeah, I snapped every one of them, so I'll be going to the dealership to get some more push tabs for that. But here's your secondary air pump. So we got to get this off. So that little cover just pops right off. And then you got this little thing that's attached down here. You got 3 tabs that you got to pop loose and it pops right off, but I'm not reusing that, so I just snapped the plastic tabs off. And this is where that filter is going to attach, but we got to get this open. Some kind of star bit, Torx. Got to get that off and check out the filter inside. Yeah, it's only one screw holding. It's only one that holds that thing in. So don't think you got to remove all these on the outside. Once you get it, it pops right off. But my filter's actually not in bad shape. It's kind of crispy, but I mean, it's not breaking down. But this truck's also, garage kept, and it's only driven only a few miles a day to go pick the kids up. Other than that, it's in the garage. We don't do no wheeling or nothing like that. We'll take it to the beach during the summertime, but what happens over time is this thing breaks down and it gets inside this fan right here. And then it bonds it up, and then, it burns it up. So we'll be putting a new K&N filter on the tip of this little snail here and reinstall it. So here's the filter that I'm using. There's the part number, 62-1370. It's K&N. This was like right at $37 or something like that. You can get a uni. I think it's UP-107. It's significantly cheaper, but it'll still do the trick. This was in stock, so I just went and got it instead of waiting from Amazon, but let's get it installed. And that's it. That's a pretty easy little upgrade and save you some money, and a little peace of mind that you didn't burn up your air pump because you didn't change out this little filter. I'm gonna hold on to it though, because it might be worth some money on eBay, probably $1,000, because Lexus made it. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So suck on that, YouTube. There's some original content for you. Me working on my wife's 2021 GX460. I should do more videos of me working on this turd, but that's for another day. So yeah, y'all stay saucy, keep it funky. We out this bitch. Peace.